Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up Adafruit IO. Adafruit IO is a free IoT platform where you can send sensor data to the cloud and control your devices from anywhere. Step 1. Create an account. First, go to the Adafruit IO website. Click Sign Up and create your free account. After logging in, you can open your own dashboard. From there, you can add the widgets you want, like buttons, switches, sliders, and charts, and arrange them the way you like. Then go to IO keys and copy your API key. We'll need this key to connect our board to Adafruit IO. Step 2. Setting up the board. In this tutorial, I'll be using a NodeMCU ESP8266 board. Connect it to your computer and open the Arduino IDE. Now, install the required libraries from the Library Manager. Adafruit IO Arduino, Adafruit MQTT Library, Arduino HTTP Client. These libraries will allow us to connect the board to Adafruit IO, send sensor data, and control devices from the cloud. Okay guys, here I opened one of the Adafruit example projects. Now in the settings, I enter my username and API key. Then I type my Wi-Fi name and password so it can connect. Next, I scroll down, remove the default code, and paste my own code. In this code, first we connect to Adafruit IO and create a feed called LED. Then we set pin D1 as an output, where the LED is connected. And that's it. This was a simple project to get started with Adafruit IO. In the next videos, we'll build more advanced projects like controlling relays and reading multiple sensors. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.